At the University of Birmingham, you receive a fully personalised online timetable, which means that everything you need to attend for your programme will be included in one place. Your online timetable is accurate to within, at most, 15 minutes of any activity being added or amended. First of all, you need to be a fully registered student to access your timetables, so if you've not already done so, register online. Log into My Birmingham using your university username and password. Click on the My Timetables tab appearing on the home page. Then click on Sign into Web Timetables. Click on the My Timetable option on the left-hand menu bar. Now select the week and days for which you want to view your timetable. I will be choosing to view the weekly timetable. Then click on View Timetable to see your timetable. Here is a grid view of your timetable from Monday to Friday. Each box tells you what activity you have, where it is located, who is the assigned lecturer, and for how long it will run. You will see at the bottom of the page that you can skip forwards and backwards in time to look at upcoming activities. Do make sure you check your online timetable regularly because occasionally things need to change, although you will also receive an email if something needs to change at short notice. For more help with your timetables, please visit Timetables on the Student Administration section on the Student Help site.